Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make a nature sun catcher. It's gonna be so beautiful. What you're gonna need is 2 paper plates, and you're also gonna need anything that you can find out in nature. Flowers, leaves, pine needles, anything you want, grasses, whatever you can find to put in your sun catcher. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper plate, and you might need some help with this. You're gonna stack them, and then we're gonna cut out this middle part. All right, I've cut it out, so now I have 2 plates with holes in the middle. Now I'm gonna take contact paper, trace the outside of the plate, and then I'm gonna cut it a little bit smaller than that. So I'm just gonna trace the outside. All right, now I'm gonna use my scissors, and I am gonna cut this circle a little bit smaller than the black line, but that'll give me a good estimate, a good eye for how much I need. All right, I got that cut out. So this circle should fit on the inside of the plate here nicely. So I'm gonna take off the backing of this contact paper, and I'm gonna stick it onto the plate. Now I'm gonna put it so the sticky side is up, facing towards me. Okay, just like that. So the top here is very sticky. Now I'm going to stick all this nature stuff right in the middle. I'm gonna use the circle that I cut in the plate as like a little window. So whatever is in the middle there is gonna be what we see. So I'm gonna stick some flowers in there and some leaves. I even have pine needles. All right, so now I'm gonna need to do the same thing with the contact paper again, and this time I'm gonna put the sticky side down onto my plate here. Now I'm gonna trace this plate again. All right, now I have an idea of the size, but I need to go a little bit smaller again. All right, I've got it. Now I'm gonna peel the backing off again. Sticky side down, so it's gonna go on top of all that nature. Push it down nice and hard, like that. Now I'm gonna take some glue, and I'm gonna glue the inside of the top of this plate so that I can put this one on top of it. So we're gonna put some glue all the way around the edge, like this. And then I'm gonna stick this other plate right on top. Push it down so it really seals it in there. If I want, I can decorate the plate. I can draw on this, I can make it really fancy and beautiful, or I kind of like it just plain too. I think I'm gonna leave mine plain. But look at this. It's beautiful. Now, if you want to punch a hole and hang it in your window, the sunlight will shine through and really illuminate all that nature that you found. Beautiful. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.